What we are asking about your question today is that the long-term effect of porn addiction are many and they are quite different for men and women. Let's start with women because a lot of people are not talking about whether women are addicted to porn. Yes, they do, and in fact, there was a life science journal that I was reading the other day, and interestingly, they studied women in the West. And what they said is that their patterns of hypersexuality now resemble men's. Now, personally, I believe it's because of a change in culture and feminism, which is basically the culture you have to understand correctly. It is a set of beliefs that are held in a community. It's shared value where people actually enforce them. So now women are essentially behaving more masculine. They are adopting masculine traits to succeed in a male dominated world, to try to be like men. But what is happening now shows that they are showing more masculine sexual behavior such as porn addiction, masturbation and even sex. The interesting difference is that when men were showing this type of hypersexuality, they were more usually homosexual while women were, which are obsessed and hypersexual and show the masculine types of traits. They tend to be bisexual, which is very interesting point because I said the more masculine woman or the more feminine they are, that's something you can think. Oh, feminism and this whole women's movement is trying. Being a man is actually destroying our women. Men are still strong. Yes, there will be men who are weak and so on in this war, but men still, when it's come to be sexual, they are very resistant to these abuses, right? So there are long-term effects on women because women don't really need to be perform according to themselves, don't immediately see problem like what men usually say or seeing that they will see erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, all kinds of problems that women don't really see that, but it women long term how often affects their mental makeup is that they live in fantasy and women's fantasies are related to orgasm or the way to brain works.